Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bree if you are new here, and I just want to do like a classic, just get ready with me. Just hang out, chat, do some makeup, you know, stuff like that. So, if you guys want to hang out and get ready together, then just keep on watching. Honestly, what I really want to do today is just like neutrals, but I want to try something out today. Usually when I do like some type of like a smoky wing, that's pretty much like the entirety of my makeup look, right? Like I just do like a smoky wing and leave my lids bare. Maybe I'll take a little bit of my inner corner highlight and just kind of run it up into my lids, but like I don't do really too much else. It's usually just a smoky wing. And I don't want to like go full send on the smoky wing, but I kind of want to make it more. So I think I'm going to do like an almost undetected, which I want to do like a halo eye, but make it be like just really close to my skin tone, just like almost looks like just like a contour in a way, and then do like a little bit of like a smoky situation for a wing. I'm realizing now I forgot to grab lashes, so I'll have to do that. Okay, so I'm gonna use the ColourPop Gone Matte palette today, and I'm gonna start off with this tiny fluffy brush right here, and I'm gonna go into the shade Ultra Suede, and I'm just gonna start fluffing this on my inner and outer corners. Just like a really soft halo, not anything with like too much structure, too much depth, just like something really soft. You know, it drives me absolutely insane. And like I really wish that I could remember exactly what day I last bleached my hair, but like I want to say it's been like a month. And it's already grown out like a half an inch, which is insane. And I don't know, maybe I just don't remember how fast my hair grows because I've been dyeing my hair dark. So, I mean, you can see my roots if you like really pay attention on the red, but it's so not noticeable as like compared to that. Yeah, it's been like a month and I already have to bleach it again. I mean, luckily that's like probably one of the easiest things to have to do bleach touch-ups on, because I can literally just do like a tablespoon of bleach. Like it's so easy to mix bleach because it's just 1-to-1, you know. Honestly, the hardest part of the whole thing is going to be separating out the money pieces from the rest of my hair so that I only bleach the money pieces. Taking a little mental health half week. A little over half week actually. I'm taking 4 days off this week. I was speeding towards burnout, like badly, and it kind of dawned on me that like when my mom got back to work after her surgery, I never took time off. I took like an extra day like that first week. And I think I've taken like one other extra day, but I was like, I never actually took like time off. And I was like, I need a break. I am speeding towards burnout, and not the like, oh, I'm tired and I'm gonna lay in bed and be lazy, which that's a bad connotation, but you know what I mean. Like I'm just gonna not do anything kind of burnout. No, I was speeding towards like bitchy burnout. I was getting mean. I was like, I'm recognizing this within myself and I need to do something to fix that, like fast. So really quick, I'm just taking a big fluffy brush and I'm going into Cuddles, which is the next shade lighter from Ultra Suede, and just blending this out, making it nice and soft. And then I'm gonna take, this used to be in my highlight collection and then I kind of moved it into my cream shadows because I was never using it as a highlight, but this is the Stila Heaven's Hue highlighter in the shade Kitten, which is like seriously just the most sheer thing in the world. So it's just gonna make my eyelids look a little glossy. Next up, I'm gonna take the About Face Line Artist liner in Equestrian, and I'm just gonna start to do kind of a smoky wing situation. I'm just gonna kind of messily smudge this on, go in with my fingers and kind of smudge it around. I can always go back in with the Stila if I need to. I'm just kind of using this to get a base down, and then I'm gonna go in with shadow to make it real nice. Okay, I'm just gonna go back in with the Stila really quick, just to kind of lower down how far it came up in the center. Little smudging action. And then I'm gonna jump back over to Gone Matte, and I'm gonna take a angled liner brush, and I'm gonna go into the shade Sleepwalker. And I'm just going to kind of stamp this along where I smudged in that pencil, and I'll clean up the point of the wing later if I need to. And then I'm going to take this really tiny shader brush, and I'm going to go into the shade Snooze In. I'm not picking up a ton, and I'm like keeping it very focused on where it is on the brush. Just using this to smoke the Sleepwalker shade out and not worrying about what's going on underneath here. And then I'm just going to take a makeup wipe, clean up underneath my eyes first, and then just make a nice straight line. It's not as harsh as my black smoky liners, and there's a little bit of like extra dimension and something to my lids, which is fun. So I'm gonna go do my base really quick off camera. I will be right back. Alright, so for cream bronzer, oh, this is breaking. I'm gonna use the Makeup Revolution Ultra Cream Bronzer in Light. I'm gonna start out with my nose. This bronzer's scary though. Like I'm gonna have to go in with my sponge and clean that up because it'd be pigmented. I feel like this should be like more chatty, but my brain is like not fully functioning. I'm still working through that burnout. I'm very excited to have 4 days off though. I mean, I'm still gonna be like filming every day. I'm gonna be editing. I still haven't done my taxes and they may or may not be due in a week. I'm usually so much better about getting our taxes done way earlier in the year, but I was not a fucking person in December, or not December, but like January and February. I was just too busy trying to keep my head above water to even think about doing fucking taxes. And then cream blush, I'm gonna use Anastasia Beverly Hills Nectarine Blush. And we're actually, my husband and I are off together today, and my in-laws are coming into town in a week, so we have like stuff to do around the house that needs both of us. Like it's a 2-people job kind of thing. So we're gonna do a bunch of that today. We're gonna take down all of these plastic horizontal blinds and replace them with curtains, which I cannot fucking wait to do. I'm a little nervous about, you know, dealing with the lighting aspect in here when I'm filming, but luckily I will have a ton of time to play around with it over the next couple days. And apparently whatever day I decide to wash my hair, I will be bleaching it. I wonder if it's because I started using a shampoo that has biotin in it, so my hair is just growing really fast. I don't know. Okay, for powder blush, I'm going to use the LA Girl Just Blushing Blush in Just Natural. In my time, the Sephora Savings event and the Ulta Spring Haul sale just started last night. I think, I haven't done the math yet, but I may have possibly unintentionally took away most of the rest of my money for the year. I don't know, we'll see. Some of the stuff that I bought was like backups and stuff like that, so obviously I don't, you know, count that against my low buy money, but, and I won't count it until I try everything and make sure that I'm keeping everything. But as I was setting up this video this morning, I was like, I bought enough, I should probably just film me trying it, even though most of it's not like new. It's just either like new to me or, well, most of it's new to me. There's a couple like new things, but most of it would just be new to me. I was like, I should probably film this. So now I have to figure out what I'm moving around. But yeah, I went a little ham sandwich on the sales. Okay, I am honestly, I'm gonna be so honest with you. I'm running out of space on this particular memory card, and I don't feel like going to get a different memory card just to like do my outro. So I'm gonna go set down the rest of my face and do my under eyes off of camera, and I'll come back and I'll show you guys how I did my under eyes, finish up my face, all that. I'll be right back. Okay, so what I did for my under eyes is I just took that angled liner brush into Sleepwalker and just kind of did a little bit underneath my eyes and kind of cleaned up the line, smudged it with Snoozin', and then combined together the Cuddles and Ultra Suede and just further kind of smudged it and smoked it out a little bit. So it's very like cat eye like. And then for blush topper, I'm gonna use the Essence Pure Nude Baked Blush in Pretty Peach. And then for highlight, I'm gonna use the ABH Nicole Glow Kit, and I'm gonna dip into the shade Glow Getter. I'm gonna start out with my inner corners. This highlight is very highlighty, so I skipped my like sheer face glow powder today. I also just know that one of the little tasks that my husband and I have to do is going to cause me to sweat my ass off, so I wanted to control the shine just a little bit more than normal while putting on one of my most glowy highlights. And then I go back for more. Okay. Alright, I have no clue what I'm gonna put on my lips, but I'm gonna go finish up the rest of my face. I need to also find some lashes to put on, and I will be right back. Okay, so, Jesus Christ. For my lips, I used the NYX Smooth Whip Matte Lip Cream in Pancake Stacks, just, you know, for a little lip color. But this is the final look. I love the way that it turned out. I love the, like, little bit of extra that's on my lids, like the very soft smoky wing. I mean, not soft, but like much less smoky than I usually do my smoky wings. He's playing in the blinds. Another reason why they need to come down. But I'm gonna wrap up this video here. I have 1,001 things to do today. And yeah, comment down below and let me know your favorite way to do smoky wings. I would love to hear all about it. Please subscribe if you have not already. It would mean the world to me. Like this video, ring the bell, do all the things. I hope you guys have an awesome day. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!